Alright, I like what you got there. Let me show you what I got. Check this out. Bring the bass line. Hey yo, shut it down.
These brothers my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side, see they act, never gotta roll with ice. Generations caught up, look how things will switch.
Welcome back to the channel. Those of you newcomers, go ahead and push that red subscribe button and join the family. Beautiful. This beach is so amazing. Always get that eating out. Alright, as you can see, this is a place we order from at nighttime. So today we decided we wanted to go here for our last day here in Bali. And I'm sure the food is gonna be amazing, it always is. But today we decided to come here. Look at the decor that's in this restaurant. This is excellent. So when you are in Bali, you need to come to the Moon Cafe, alright? I'm telling you, I haven't had anything of theirs that wasn't delicious. And this is the little lady that you'll see. Okay, we've ordered a bunch of stuff and we're waiting on it to come, and we'll let you see it when it gets here. Okay, our drinks are here and I can't wait to taste this, you guys. Well, Victor, she just got her a little Sprite, so we're gonna let her slide. But we got something different. Okay, I'm gonna taste it, y'all. Oh yeah, it's on point. Oh yeah, it's good. It's good. So even the drinks are good. Okay, here's the fries, and this is the salad that we ordered, and there's Victor's fries, and we're just waiting for the rest of it to come. Yep. Here's Victor's burger. Look at that, y'all. It says to the moon. Oh, that is so awesome. Look at that. And look at what's in it. Oh, wow. Y'all, I'm so excited. I was screaming. Look at this. Look at this. Ooh, that is sneak up on you. Oh, my goodness. Ooh, that looks delicious. And we got wings. I told you we ordered a ton of food. Yeah. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. I don't even know what to eat first, y'all. Okay, I'm going to taste the salad. Oh, y'all, that salad is the bomb. Oh yeah. That salad is the bomb. Take your salad. And it's got a little hot to it. Oh, I say it's good, y'all, it is so good in the West Coast. Bro, it's unreal. How about that? That don't make no sense. I told you that don't make no sense, y'all. But good, no, wait a minute. Hey, y'all, I'm gonna take this macaroni and cheese. Bro, what y'all know about the macaroni and cheese? Shut your mouth. Oh my God. Bye, y'all. We gotta enjoy this. We'll get back with y'all when we get close to getting finished. Y'all, I just ate some of the macaroni and cheese. I tasted the meat. This place is to the moon and back. It really is. No joke. All jokes aside. Okay, y'all, I'm telling you now. This food is so good, it's unreal. Really good. And you already know about the wing space, so we ordered these. But they off the chain too. I don't know no food they got that's not delicious. So whatever you order, I'm telling you, it's gonna be good. That sauce is fire. I don't even know what to tell you. They need to shut down all the other restaurants and just come here. But the rest of them is bomb. That don't make no sense. I'm telling you, that don't make no sense. I think they got my grandma in the back. They hiding somebody back here. These people is cooking like black folks. Okay? They throwing down for real. Yeah. This so good. Yeah, this is gonna be. Look at the dessert. It's like the creme brulee and gonna make a sticky rice. Admit it, but we ate all the food, and it was really pathetic because it was a lot of food. It was so delicious. And in the end, she brought us some green tea. Let me let you see this. And the hot water's in this, and you pour it in, and then she puts it down there and puts the top on it, it steeps and comes through. So here's my tea. And this was Fabulous Time, best restaurant in Bali. I'm telling you. Don't forget, To the Moon Cafe. See you there. Tell them Mia sent you. Okay, bye. Stay tuned for more shenanigans. See you in the next one.